Hello everyone, and in this drawing I didn't remember to record it until I got part way through, so that's why some of this drawing has been done already. But in this doodle I see that I was drawing a bunch of really weird cloud shapes and other really strange, like three-dimensional shapes sort of, and then I drew a face and kind of just went from there. But things are going great today. Right now I am cooking myself some squash. I was going to cook some zucchini squash, but all I had was some yellow. So I'm making that. And I do have to head to the store soon to buy some food because I don't have much left. And so I only had one piece of squash to use, and I cut that up. And then I've got to figure out what else I can use to make for dinner today. Do you call it dinner or supper? I wonder, is it pretty much the same thing? I mean, I know for me, when I lived down south, they called it supper. And then I think when I moved up here, they called it dinner. Unless I'm remembering that wrong. But, yeah. So, yeah, I am hungry. Probably going to make some kind of pasta or maybe some brown rice. And that'll be my meal for the day. But in this doodle, I'm using the Micron, and it's a bit of a bigger nib than my accurate pen, so I can get drawings done a little bit quicker. But I like doing it for doing quick doodles, and I'm getting closer and closer to getting the sketchbook done. We're getting there, but when I get it done, I'll show everybody a short, well, actually won't be short. It'll probably be maybe 2 hours long, where I go through all the drawings and talk about them. But yeah, it'll be interesting to talk about all those. It would definitely take a while to explain all of them because I'm never really sure what I'm drawing. But you have a good day, and I'll see you later.